Hello and welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to find the option how to turn on and how to turn off screenshot sound in Realme 14x phone. So how to enable or disable our screenshot sound. So first we need to go to settings. Then in settings we're looking for accessibility and convenience menu. Next we need to scroll down to the screenshot menu. So first of all at the top we have our tutorials with descriptions. Here we have our gestures menu, and here we have our screenshot sounds and screenshot notifications. So we can enable screenshot sound using this switch right here. Right now the sound is on, and we can disable it using the same switch. Now the sound is off. And that's all. I hope this video is helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Bye.